Look, the cabin's on fire now.
I see that.
Holy crap.
They gotta hurry. We're gonna start feeling the heat over here.
Holy. You think any of the shrapnel would reach in here?
I don't know. It might, I'm sure it might.
See, this is why we need the flak jackets from the house.
I'd rather not.
I'm just saying, you know.
I want you behind the van.
Well, thank God no one was stuck in there. Look, the hood blew. The hood. You see the.
It's gone. I told you it'd get that hot.
That's insane that the fire is still going on the snow.
Broke the glass.
Yep.
I just don't want to hit that power line, that power pole there.
Holy crap.
Power, they've got to hurry. Look, that tire's gonna catch on fire and pop and blow.
Seriously, the fire department needs to raise their standards for how fast they arrive at scenes.
It's such bad news.
When you asked me if there was a fire extinguisher inside, I thought that like something out in the barn,
No.
like there was a little fire.
If it was a little fire, but I don't know how to take care of it myself.
Holy crap. You think that back will catch on fire?
It might. The fuel tank is just behind, or just underneath the door on the other side.